The top 3 healthiest fish. You need to start eating now, and 3. You should avoid. Are you sabotaging your health by eating the wrong fish? What if the fish you think is healthy is secretly damaging your brain, hormones, and even your heart? On the flip side, what if there are certain fish out there that can supercharge your health, helping you fight inflammation, boost your mood, and even add years to your life? Here's a shocking truth. Not all fish are created equal. Some are loaded with toxins like mercury and harmful fats, while others are the ultimate superfoods that can transform your body and mind. But how do you know which is which? In today's video, I'm diving deep into the top 3 healthiest fish. You need to start eating right now, and just as importantly, the 3 fish you should avoid like the plague. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fish belong on your plate and which ones should stay far, far away. Plus, I've got a bonus segment on how to cook fish the healthiest way possible. You don't want to miss this. Why fish is called nature's superfood. Fish has long been hailed as one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and for good reason. It's packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a wealth of essential nutrients like vitamin D, iodine, and selenium. But what truly sets fish apart is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, those magical fats that can help reduce inflammation, boost brain power, and lower your risk of heart disease. But here's the kicker. Not all fish offer these benefits equally. Some are nutritional powerhouses, while others come with a side of dangerous toxins, unhealthy fats, and questionable farming practices. In fact, some of the most popular fish on the market are the worst offenders when it comes to health risks. So let's separate the heroes from the villains, starting with the absolute best fish you can eat. The top 3 healthiest fish. You need to start eating 1. Wild-caught salmon, the omega-3 champion. When it comes to health benefits, wild-caught salmon is in a league of its own. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, this fish can do wonders for your heart by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin D, which many people are deficient in, especially during the winter months. But why wild-caught and not farmed? The difference lies in their diets and living conditions. Wild salmon feed on a natural diet of algae and smaller fish, which gives them higher levels of omega-3s and fewer unhealthy fats. Farmed salmon, on the other hand, are often raised in overcrowded conditions and fed an unnatural diet that can lead to contamination with harmful chemicals like PCBs. For the ultimate health boost, choose Alaskan wild-caught salmon. It's not only nutrient-rich but also one of the most sustainably sourced fish in the world. Pro tip, pair it with a simple lemon and herb marinade before grilling to enhance its flavor and nutrition. 2. Sardines. Tiny but nutrient-dense. Don't let their size fool you. Sardines are a nutritional powerhouse. These small, oily fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and even calcium, thanks to their edible bones. What makes sardines particularly special is their position low on the food chain. Unlike larger fish, sardines accumulate very little mercury, making them one of the safest seafood options available. Sardines are great for bone health, heart health, and even your skin. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can toss them into a salad, mash them onto whole grain toast with avocado, or mix them into pasta for an easy, nutrient-packed meal. 3. Atlantic mackerel, the energy booster. Next on the list is Atlantic mackerel, an oily fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin B12. This fish is perfect for anyone looking to maintain high energy levels and improve cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of mackerel can help reduce the risk of heart disease and even improve mental clarity. But be careful, there's a huge difference between Atlantic mackerel and king mackerel. While the former is packed with nutrients and low in mercury, king mackerel is one of the worst offenders when it comes to mercury contamination. Stick with Atlantic or Pacific mackerel to reap the benefits without the risks. For a quick, healthy meal, try mackerel smoked or grilled. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of black pepper for an unbeatable combination. The 3 fish you must avoid. 1. Shark, a dangerous predator. Shark meat might sound exotic, but it's one of the worst choices you can make, As apex predators, sharks accumulate massive amounts of mercury and other toxins over their lifetimes. Eating shark meat can expose you to dangerous levels of mercury, which has been linked to neurological damage, memory problems, and developmental delays in children. For your health and the health of the oceans, it's best to leave sharks off your plate. 2. Farmed tilapia, the omega-6. Problem. Tilapia is often marketed as a healthy, budget-friendly option, but the truth is more complicated. Most tilapia on the market is farmed, and these fish are typically raised on a diet of corn and soy, which leads to a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. Excess omega-6 fats in your diet can promote inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Instead, consider cleaner white fish options like wild-caught cod or haddock, which provide more nutrients without the risks associated with farmed tilapia. 3. King mackerel, a mercury bomb. Remember earlier when I praised Atlantic mackerel? That praise doesn't apply to king mackerel. This species is notoriously high in mercury, making it a dangerous choice for anyone, especially pregnant women and children. Mercury poisoning can have serious health consequences, including damage to the nervous system and impaired brain function. If you're a fan of mackerel, stick with the safer Atlantic or Pacific varieties. How to choose the right fish. Here are 3 tips to ensure you're making the healthiest choices. 1. Go wild. Choose wild-caught fish whenever possible to avoid harmful chemicals and additives. 2. Check for sustainability. Look for certifications like MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, or ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council. 3. Inspect quality. Fresh fish should have bright, clear eyes and a clean, ocean-like smell. The healthiest ways to cook fish. To get the most out of your fish, it's important to cook it the right way. Avoid frying as it adds unhealthy fats and reduces nutritional value. Instead, try these methods. Grilling, a quick, flavorful option that locks in nutrients. Baking, perfect for flaky fish like cod and haddock. Steaming, a gentle method that preserves moisture and vitamins. Bonus tip, add herbs and spices like garlic, turmeric, and dill to enhance flavor and add extra health benefits. What about shellfish? A bonus insight. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about shellfish. While not technically fish, shellfish like shrimp, crab, and lobster are popular seafood options. But are they healthy? The answer depends on the source and preparation. Wild-caught shellfish, especially those low in contaminants, can be a great source of protein, zinc, and selenium. However, farmed shrimp is often riddled with antibiotics and raised in unsanitary conditions. If you love shrimp, go for wild-caught Gulf shrimp and avoid the breaded, fried versions often found in restaurants. And remember, moderation is key. Shellfish tend to have higher cholesterol levels than most fish. The hidden costs of bad choices. Let's not forget that choosing the wrong fish isn't just bad for your health, it's bad for the environment too. Overfishing and unsustainable farming practices are depleting fish populations and destroying marine ecosystems. By avoiding fish like farmed tilapia and king mackerel, you're not only protecting yourself but also helping to preserve the oceans for future generations. Small changes like choosing sustainably sourced salmon or sardines can have a ripple effect, benefiting your health, the planet, and even your wallet in the long run. So, the next time you're at the seafood counter, remember that every choice matters. Conclusion: make smarter choices. So there you have it. The top 3 healthiest fish you need to start eating now, and the 3 you should avoid at all costs. By choosing wisely, you can protect your health, support sustainable fishing practices, and enjoy delicious meals that truly nourish your body. Which fish is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to better health, one bite at a time.